And I remember when I was a child, they were saying they would eventually find a cure for cancer, but it will take a long time. And it's all just progression down the right road. It's a lifesaver, a life changer.
We read 5,000 mammograms a year. There is a lot of pressure on the service. I have staff shortages. People are burnt out. If I'm reading 100 mammograms a day, I might get a bit tired. I mean, I'm not perfect and I'm not a robot. My name is Dr. Gerald Lip. I am the Director of Breast Screening in the northeast of Scotland. We invite 25,000 women a year, between 50 to 70, to come have their mammograms every 3 years. The number one part of the job is looking at these mammograms to find cancer. 2 humans look at it, and then if there's a disagreement, it goes to a 3rd human. We got involved in a project about 6 years ago that looked at AI in mammograms. Mia was part of this project. It's an artificial intelligence algorithm created by Kheiron Medical Technologies, and is supported by Microsoft Azure. We have to make our decision first, then we're allowed to see the opinion of Mia. So we press the little button, it opens up and shows us yellow circles that says, "Can you have a second look here?"
I was quite surprised to hear back from them. The penny didn't drop immediately until they said they had found a very small amount of cancer. And they said it wouldn't have been picked up by the human eye. It was too small, but the computer earmarked it, and that's how they found it.
So in Barbara's case, when we looked at her mammograms initially, it was passed as normal by 2 human readers. And then Mia gave us that signal to say, have a look again. If you pick up cancer before it's 15 millimeters, most women now will have a 95% survival rate.
You never think it's going to come up with anything, and you hope it won't. But when it was that small, I just thought, this is fantastic, because, they can get it. It caught it 3 years early, wouldn't have been looked at again for 3 years probably.
At the moment, we are using Mia in an evaluation process, so we haven't integrated it fully into the system. We have modeled that if we did have Mia in our workflow, that would be a big difference, because it would make our turnaround time go from probably 14 days at the moment down to 3 days. The use of Microsoft Azure helps us to scale the deployment of the AI across the country. We're able to transfer the images and get them analyzed instantly and not have to be overloading the local IT services. By having Azure Cloud, it's the same process throughout the whole of Scotland, and we know that the patient's details are protected.
One tends to trust doctors, and the AI is just a piece of their equipment. My mother had cancer 40 years ago, and so many things have improved. It's the people in the future, how many, hundreds and thousands are going to benefit from this.
The best part of my job is actually meeting my patients, having found their cancer small and early, being able to tell them, we're going to be able to sort it out. The technology helps move us forward. This is the beginning. Large scale, we can make a difference.